Mark from Mark's Reviews and Tutorials, and I'm just going to show you in the E61, if you've got an electric tailgate, or the E46 I believe it is, the 3 Series wagon, you actually do get a height adjustment as to how far the tailgate opens, and I'm going to show you where that is here. It's a little bit hidden in the menu. With an iDrive, you've got your main button down here. You can press it down, you can press it across, you can press it up and down, you can turn it, lots of different adjustments. You can press it down. The first one to enter in is just to press down to get into the information. The menu button behind it is very much a back button. You press that and it'll just come backwards out of the menus, out of the screen. So here we go, pressing down on the top of the button to go into the information. We don't want info sources, we want settings this time around. And here, it's set in the right one. Vehicle tyres is where we want to go. This is some settings for the vehicle. Coming in here, and the lights, so you get to turn, this is a triple turn signal. That's a one touch on the blinker stalk on the indicator, so it'll flash 3 times and then stop. You can have that function off or on. Daytime running lights you can turn off or on, and your welcome light and the duration of your welcome light, all that's there. Door locks is when you're pressing your button to unlock the car, if all of the locks open every time you do that, or just the driver's lock and then a second press to open the rest. Seat positioning, you can read it, you can work it all out from there. Going back up, second, but this one's the one I want to show you in this video. Luggage compartment. Have a look at this. You actually get to determine how far the tailgate opens when you press the open button. Couple of reasons this is important, and one thing, when you've got children, they can't reach the electric button that's on the base of the tailgate there to close it. So if you have that down, you can let the kids access it. Now if you're tall, you don't want to go walking into it. We had a 220i 2018 BMW here, and this had been set down quite low, and I was just continually, twice I banged my head on the tailgate, and that's because it had been set really, really low. So you get to play with it, you get to set it, lower it down for the kids. But the other thing is, E61 and E46 station wagons are renowned for bad tailgate wiring, where the join goes through here, the wires do stretch and actually break and all the rest of it. So I would never recommend that you have it up on the full system. Radio needs to go away. Because it's putting too much stress on the wires. So always one click down, and if you're wanting the kids to be able to reach the button to do their school bags themselves or whatever it is, then you can bring it down to a height so that they can operate it. So that's where it's hidden in the menu, and you can operate it. And I would be saying to you, never put it on the top, because the wiring harness, sadly, it's a common problem. I was talking to a BMW mechanic yesterday. He's saying, yes, it's quite a problem that wires break on these station wagons. So there you go, a bit of preventative maintenance, and one of the very simple things you can do to stop your car being a statistic. And when it's on that setting, there is no problems with hitting your head. It's actually quite up and open quite a bit.